This is another video for the channel, and this video is about the tips to improve your battery life of your iPhone. So if you are interested in this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So the first tip that I'm going to give you is to disable unnecessary notifications and customize the important ones. In doing this, head on to settings, then you go to notifications. So here you have to change all the apps that you don't use or you don't receive notifications from to off, including games too. Yes, including games. Change them to off. And for social media apps like this, Instagram, you can either choose to display the notification either only in the notification center like this, or you can show banners while you are in other apps, or you can also show them on your lock screen. You can turn off badges, also turn off sounds as you wish. That will help you to save battery life. So the second thing to save your life, the battery of your phone, is to manage your phone using screen time. Screen time is like a battery or how you use your phone tracker. It's very effective. So in screen time you can set limits for apps. Like you can set limits for social networking, and I can set limit for specific apps like Instagram. You can set limit for Instagram for if I want to use Instagram for 30 minutes on daily basis, so you can set it for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes I will be asked to unlock my phone before I can use Instagram. That's a very effective way to do that. You can also set communication limits too. So also set communication limits too, so it can help you to improve your iPhone's battery life. The third thing to improve your iPhone's battery life is to turn on optimized battery charging. So to do this, go to settings as I'm already there, then you go to battery, then you head on to battery health. So in battery health, this is the last tab that I've checked on this settings. Yes, and I read, to reduce battery aging, iPhone learns from your daily charging routine so that it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. As you can see, it's a very good feature which helps to save your lion battery in your iPhone as your iPhone ages. The next thing to do to save battery life is to turn on dark mode. As you can see, mine dark mode doesn't show any pixels of your iPhone, so it helps you to save amounts of battery life. Yes, it helps to save more battery life and helps to preserve your battery life too. So the next thing that you need to do to save or to improve your battery life is to turn on ad blockers. So to do that, you go to settings as I'm already at, then you go to Safari. If Safari is your default browser, Safari. Then you go to content blockers. As for me, I have two. I have best blocker which blocks ads, and I have porn block plus which block every app related to porn or pornographic websites that shows when you're trying to search something online. So I use these two blockers. The next thing to do to save the life or to improve your battery life is to turn off vibration on rake. And in doing this, you have to go to sound and haptics and they turn it off. Yes, off. Off. just turn it off because it's already ringing. I don't know why I have mine on, but it's already ringing. That's why I need vibration. Yes. The next thing, which is easy and simple, doesn't require anything, is to prevent your iPhone or avoid extreme temperatures, whether cold or hot. So when you're going to the beach, you have to protect your phone, put it in a bag. When you are outside in cold temperatures, in your pocket, in your bag. It is very simple. So the next thing to do to save the battery life of your iPhone, yes, is to limit location services. So in doing this, head on to settings, then you find privacy down there, then you go on to location services. So what I want you to do right here is to turn every app's location to while using. Let's do this one while using. It's very simple. While using, because if you don't turn it to while using, the app will use your location in the background, and which will not conserve battery life. Yes. So the next thing that you need to do to improve your battery life of your iPhone is to use Wi-Fi. Using Wi-Fi will help you to save battery life because you're not going to use any mobile data or any carrier on your phone. They will all be from the Wi-Fi, so it will help you to save battery life effectively and efficiently. So the 12th thing is to find the apps that kills your battery. So in doing this, you have to head on to battery in settings, then they will present with a this chart. So this chart will show you the time your battery drained faster. As you can see, my battery are drained on normal peak, so it means I'm taking good care of my phone very much. I'm not using apps extremely. Okay. So the next thing to do is to turn on low power mode. Low power mode, you can find it in settings in battery too. I already have it on because I have my battery lesser than 40%. So low power mode temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch and notification fetch as well until you fully charge your iPhone past 80%. So if you are low on power, just turn on low power mode and you're good to go to conserve power to improve the battery life of your iPhone. The next thing to do to improve your battery life is to turn off some settings about Siri. Yes. So we go to settings, then we search for Siri and search, which is right here. Then let's turn off these 3 tabs. I choose to turn on the upper one because it suggests some things when you are typing. Yes, that's why I have the upper one on right here. But you can disable it. Yes, which is very help you to conserve the battery life. The next thing to do to save the battery life, which is actually the 15th thing, yes, is to turn off Hey Siri. Turn it off. Yes, turn it off. Because your iPhone will always listen for Hey Siri. So whenever you say it, it responds to your voice. So when you turn it off, it helps you to save battery life. I have it on because I use it sometimes and most of the times. So I have it on, but you can choose to turn it off to save battery life. So the 16th thing to do to save the battery life of your iPhone is to disable automatic updates. Yes, software updates. So in doing this, you head to settings, then you go to general, then you go to software updates. I have mine on because at night I turn off my Wi-Fi and sleep. I don't know why it's not coming. and sleep. So there's nothing automatic that is downloading, so there's no need to turn it off. But if you always turn on your mobile data, or you always have your Wi-Fi on while sleeping, this thing will be going to drain your battery life together with your data. So the next thing is a bonus step. Yes, a bonus step for you guys is to turn off raise to wake. Raise to wake is very annoying because it wakes your iPhone and without you incidentally raising it. So in doing this, head to settings, display and brightness, then you just turn it off. As you said, I already have it off. Yes, I already have it off. But if you are doing a job like an office job, or you are always at work and you always have your phone on your table, you can choose to turn it on, because as soon as you left your your screen will automatically wake. It's a very nice feature on the iPhone. So guys, you have made it to the end of this video, and I want to say thank you for watching this video once again. If you like this video, don't forget to drop me a like down there and comment other things that I didn't say, so that I can also help me to improve the battery life of my phone. Don't forget to subscribe too, so that you can see my future posts. Yes, my future videos. Thank you guys.